My dear friends, today I will show you a phacoemulsification surgery of grade 3 fragile cataract. In this case, you will see the nucleus is very fragile. After making side port, make a band tip 26 gauge needle cystitome and then inject the trypan blue dye. Wash it after 6 to 10 seconds and then inject 2% hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Then make continuous curvilinear capsulorhexis of about 5 mm size. This is almost phantorhexis. Now inject HPMC and make a triplanar main port 2.5 clock hour away from the side port. Now do the hydrodissection and hydrodelineation simultaneously. After doing hydrodissection and delineation, rotate the nucleus. Free rotation of the nucleus indicate there is no corticocapsular adhesions. Spread some HPMC over the cornea so as to improve the visualization. Now start phacoemulsification. Adjust the phaco tip size of sufficient length. It should be big in hard cataract, but it should be small in soft cataract. Now emulsify some superficial cortex. You will see modified direct chop technique in this patient. First, make a trench in US1 mode like this. And then rotate the nucleus. In this case, nucleus is so fragile that As I tried to hold the nucleus, it became broken into multiple pieces. See how much it is fragile. And due to the small axis and this fragile nature of this nucleus, it took long time to emulsify. At this moment, I am in US2 mode. I am trying to hold the nucleus to make the chop. After 3 to 4 attempts, ultimately I succeeded. Rotate the nucleus, try to hold the nucleus, so as you can chop. Now go to the US3 mode and bring the nucleus pieces from periphery and emulsify it at the center. Now go to the US4 mode, that is the epinucleus mode, and try to hold the epinucleus from the periphery, bring it in the center, and then emulsify it. After emulsifying the epinucleus, now start cortical cleanup. Inject some HPMC, spread some HPMC over the cornea, and then do the cortical cleanup with the help of either Synco cannula or irrigation aspiration cannula. Try to remove cortex from the main port as much as possible. Now remove the subincisional cortex from right side port like this. Patient is under topical anesthesia, that's why he is moving his eye, but still he is very cooperative. Don't leave any cortical fiber over the posterior capsule or in the bag. Now after removing the cortex, do hydropolish and remove all cortical fibers from the surface of the posterior capsule. Now inject 2% HPMC and then implant the intraocular lens. In this patient, I am implanting imported hydrophobic aspheric intraocular lens of Carl Zeiss. Rotate the trailing haptics in the bag like this. Now remove the HPMC thoroughly from the AC as well as from the back side of the lens. See how I am going posterior to the lens by using this Synco cannula. And removing the HPMC. After removing the HPMC, inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine eye drop, wash it thoroughly, and then inject preservative-free moxifloxacin. Then hydrate the wound. Thus, surgery is concluded. Thank you very much.